see a magic trick?
What's that, kiddo?
Do you want to see a magic trick?
A magic trick?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. What's your trick?
Pick a piece of bark. I
Pick-
send you a
Pick a piece of bark? Okay, I'll take a piece of bark.
Now put it back in.
Put it back in. Okay. Oop.
Put it back in. Is this your bark?
No, that's not my bark.
Where should I put this piece of bark?
You can put it on the ground.
Is this your bark?
No, that's not my bark.
Is this your bark?
Yes, that is my bark. That is a great magic trick. Thank you.